Today, traders continue monitoring the US dollar depreciation. A rise in the yield of the US bonds is the only factor that prevents the greenback from a sharper drop. At the same time, the euro and the pound sterling have other reasons for their growth. Today, the UK and the Eurozone have disclosed their inflation reports. The UK inflation slackened to 3.1% from 3.2%. It's a really positive factor amid the global inflation growth. Nevertheless, the pound sterling failed to break above the resistance level. There is no wonder, since during the last 3 weeks it surged to the overbought levels. Notably, the factors that triggered the US dollar appreciation this summer still exist. That's why a rise in the pound sterling, which should be considered as the local rebound, could be replaced by a decline any time. In fact, the British pound remains in the positive area thanks to the inflation figures. Meanwhile, the final data on the Eurozone inflation had no influence on the euro. It was quite expectedly, as the final data fully met the preliminary estimate, which had been already priced in by the market participants. In fact, like the pound sterling, the euro is showing just a local rise. The main trend is still bearish. Now the market is stagnant, thus pointing to the fact that the currencies may resume falling. Let us take a look at the trading charts. After a small pause, the euro-dollar pair resumed climbing. As a result, it renewed the local high of 1.1640, locked on October 4. The reading of 1.1669 is acting as an intermediate resistance level. The pair decreased after reaching this level. The technical drop could be a signal of a shift in the market sentiment. Against this background, traders should wait for the price fixation beyond any of the key levels on the 4-hour chart. This may unveil the further movement. Once the price consolidates above 1.1670, traders may open long positions. If the price fixes below 1.1620, short orders could be initiated. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair continued climbing towards the resistance level of 1.3830 as expected. When the pair touched this level, the volume of long positions dropped, thus causing a decline in the price. It's quite possible that the upward correction will finish soon. The area between 1.3800 and 1.3830 is acting as resistance. If the predictions come true, the pound-dollar pair is likely to start a gradual fall. It may slide to 1.3730. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.